In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a company on LinkedIn. Now, while LinkedIn doesn't offer a direct option to block a company, I'll guide you on how you can unfollow a company to stop seeing their posts, as well as how to report them if necessary. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email and password. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct LinkedIn account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account using a code sent to your phone. Simply enter that code to gain access. Now let's get to the main part. To manage your interactions with a company on LinkedIn, you'll need to visit their company page. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the company you're interested in and select their official page from the search results. Once you're on their page, take a look near their profile picture. You should see a button labeled following, or you might see three little dots if you aren't currently following them. To stop seeing updates from this company, click on the following button and from the drop down menu select unfollow. This simple action ensures that you no longer receive updates from them in your feed. If you found that the content they're posting is inappropriate or goes against LinkedIn's policies, you also have the option to report the company. To do this, click on the three dots next to the follow or following button on their company page. From the options presented, choose Report Abuse. You'll then be guided to select a reason for your report. Make sure to choose the one that best fits your situation. Once you've made your selection, click Next. If you're interested in receiving updates about your report, there's an option to tick a checkbox for notifications. Finally, when you're all set, click on Submit Report to send it through to LinkedIn's support team for review. Additionally, for those times when you want to browse anonymously, return to your LinkedIn homepage and visit the Settings and Privacy section under your account settings. Click on Visibility, then Profile Viewing Options, and select Private Mode. This ensures that other users cannot see when you have viewed their profile. That's it. With these simple steps, you now know how to effectively manage your interactions with companies on LinkedIn, ensuring your feed stays clean and relevant to your interests. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.